Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the permalink of a post in WordPress. So let's begin. Now, as you can see, I'm logged into the dashboard of my WordPress website. Now from here, I'm going to go to posts and click on all posts. So here are all the posts. You can add your permalink to an existing post or create a new post and edit the permalink of the post. So I'm just going to click add new post right over here. Now I'm going to add a title. So as you can see, I have added a title to the WordPress post. Now this is the permalink of your WordPress post. If you click on the link, you will be able to see this permalink. Now if I change this permalink, let's suppose I'm going to cut this portion. And if I cut this portion and click on close right over here, then my permalink will be updated. You'll be able to see that my permalink has been changed, and it's only how to change permalink. However, I can make it even shorter by cutting this portion as well, and then I'll click the cross button right over here. Now if I click publish and publish the post, then I'll be able to show you that my permalink has been changed. So I'm going to click publish right over here, and the post is published, so I'm going to now click view post. Now as you can see, my permalink has been changed, and this is the permalink, and it's very small. So if I click edit post from here again, then I'll be able to head to the edit section, and here if I want to change the link again, then I'll just simply have to click link over here and change this link. And if I want to make it even shorter, I can just type down link and then click cross. I'm going to save the post over here and then post updated. So let's click on view post, and as you can see, the permalink has been changed again. So you can set your permalink while you're submitting the post, or you can change a permalink of an existing post from your WordPress website. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.